Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to start off by saying thank you so much for all of the support you have shown me on my first YouTube video. I am so happy from all of the support from you guys by either sharing, liking, or commenting on my video. This just really motivates me to create more videos for you guys. Like I said, thank you so much. And yeah guys, so I did a poll on Instagram on either if you wanted to see a meal next or my beet juice video, and I had about 63% of y'all say that y'all wanted to see the beet juice video, so that's what we're gonna create today. Before we get started, I did want to show you guys our special guest for today. It's a kid. And my sister, she's my camera person today, so she will be behind the screens. So say hi guys. Oh, you just woke up from a nap, sir. I know you're not tired.
He's looking at himself, isn't he?
He's like, ¿quién es ese morro que está allá? Mira qué guapo. Say cheese.
Oh, there you go, Bobby.
Say cheese. Say cheese. Okay, let's get started for real now. For today's recipe, we will be using 1 large bag of carrots, 1 green apple, a bag of red relish. I noticed I called them red relish, but they're actually radish. And 3 beets. And I already cut the leaves. This normally comes with the large leaves, so I already cut those down. And we'll be using this much of the stem. And all you have to do is just rinse them and scrub them. This handy guy right here, as you can tell, I use a lot. Damn! And this is what I use to scrub all of the dirt and stuff off of these vegetables. So yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and remove all the ends on my vegetables and cut them into 3 sections to prepare them for the power juicer. I will obviously cut the apple into more sections since it is wider. I will mention to be careful when cutting the beetroot. It does stain your cutting board and your fingers, but it will come off once you rinse them. You can simply cut the radish in halves, but I went a little extra and cut them into smaller portions. Alright, so we have our red radish all ready, and we have our beets and our green apples and our carrots are all ready and prepared for juicing. This is the power juicer we will be using today. This is the Breville brand. So a quick rundown on how to use a power juicer. The fruits and vegetables will go through this tube right here. This piece will push them down to the blade, and the juice will be collected on this side and the waste will go on this side. I will add some water through the juicer just to make sure I got all of the juice out, and of course it will make a mess. Halfway through juicing these vegetables, I realized I forgot to add some celery, so I will be adding half of this stalk of celery. Last ingredient, some lime juice. Mommy duties. This little boy was getting hangry and I had to feed him. This little boy does not want to let mommy do some work. So we're gonna try to make this work. Boy, you got your eggs all the way in between your neck. Alright, so this is everything that we got out of the vegetables. It is a little bit more than 40 ounces of juice. Let's see if I can do this with Zeke in my arms. So we got about 4 mason jars right here. I am going to add some of this water because I don't want to let it to go to waste. Alright you guys, so I have about 4 almost full to the top mason jars right here of the beetroot juice. I will be saving 3. I'm going to go ahead and refrigerate those, and I will be drinking one of these today along with my meal. I did want to mention that on my last video, the beetroot juice that I was drinking was not made out of these ingredients. I actually used this one right here. I got this one from Walmart. I thought whenever I did not have time to make my juice, I could just do this. Excuse me? Okay, so as I was saying, I got this at Walmart. I will say it does not taste the same. This one is a little different. They have different ingredients. Because I did add the lime juice, it tastes so good, guys. Like, I do recommend maybe try this at least once. And if you're gonna buy this, try this as well. This one's a little bit more plain, and this one just has that just little good kick to it with that lime juice. So yeah, guys, that is pretty much it. It is a lot of work compared to just, you know, buying this, but mine tastes better, to be honest. Shout out to my sister for letting me borrow her power juicer. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and drink this today with my meal. I have not had lunch, so I'm gonna go ahead and have some lunch. We are having last night's dinner y la tentación. Oh my goodness. Right there. My sister got me some dulce de leche from Mexico. So good. I also wanted to mention some of the great benefits of drinking beetroot juice. This helps enhance your skin. It helps detoxify your liver. It helps with blood circulation. It helps prevent anemia as well as iron deficiency. This is also high in fiber, iron, vitamins, minerals, potassium, and so much more, you guys. There's a lot of research behind beetroot juice. I really recommend you to look it up. There are so much more benefits to drinking beetroot juice. This is just a couple of things that I know on top of my head. I hope everybody enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye, guys. So good. Oh, my tongue's so red. Anyways. Say cheese! Say cheese! Sácate la mano. Video, we hope you enjoyed. ¿Qué?